Hello, I'm James Barth, and I want to talk to you about our new Sport Deck rack for the back of your Jeep JL and Broncos. These are designed to be made out of aluminum and or steel on the basket itself. When you order one that is aluminum, the rack itself, the main portion here weighs 10 pounds. If you order it in steel, it weighs 20 pounds. And each of the brackets weigh around 5 pounds. You're only adding 20 pounds in aluminum and 30 in a steel to gain 5.9 feet of actual usable deck. This makes it a lot easier so you can put your cooler down below or your refrigerator. It is adjustable in height, so it has a 3 different height setting for a difference of 3 inches. Right now it's 19 inches in the lowest position, so you can go all the way up if you need to get more room. This Sport Deck is designed to go in with ease. And what I mean by that is this is literally like a 15-20 minute install. You're going to remove the plastic pieces on the roll bar and you're going to go ahead and just bolt this in. So there's no drilling, no inserts to install. And the nice thing about it is we've mounted off the roll bar itself instead of on the outer areas by where the top is, so that with our rack design, you don't have to remove the rack to remove your hard top. This is a simple thing. You're going to go ahead and bolt it in with the hardware included, and let's show you how to do that now. So now what we're going to do to first install the Sport Deck is remove the plastic covers on each side. As you can see here, they just clip in. These are the mounting hardware locations that we're going to use on both sides. Now go ahead and remove the other side. Go ahead and locate the 8mm bolts that are tapered head and bolt them in place. Go ahead and leave these loose until we put the basket in. Now repeat the process, installation on the other side. In the kit, we supply these little felt pads. What I do is I'm going to stick them right here on the plastic on each side so that it keeps it from rubbing when you install it, and also keeps it from rubbing against your plastic over time. Now go ahead and take the shelf and set it in place. Go ahead and locate the hardware and install it in the other openings. Now we're going to go ahead and use a 5mm Allen wrench to tighten the bolts that go into the factory roll bar, and we'll use a 13mm ratchet or socket or end wrenches to go ahead and tighten the lower bolts. A couple of things on this panel itself. If you want to reinstall your plastic, you do need to trim it here on the edge where this bar is. It is designed with the tapered screws to clear it on the inside, and you can go ahead and put this back in place once you've trimmed it to clear the bracket.